Hi, this video is going to be about CI/CD setup for a modern organization. So let's get started. For our CI/CD pipeline, we will be using GitHub Actions, and we will be deploying our infrastructure on AWS, and we'll be using Terraform as a tool for infrastructure as a code. So we'll write our infrastructure in Terraform, and we'll use GitHub Actions to trigger CI/CD on AWS. So let's get started. And this whole setup revolves around one very good smart feature of AWS, that is an account can and like a user in an account can assume a role in different account. So this is achieved by configuring a role in other account, and this will have a trust relationship which says like, okay, oh, this role can only be assumed by user in account A. So let's move forward. So let's say we are setting up our organization. First, we will set up our GitHub organization like this, and then we will set up our AWS accounts, and then we will set up our CI/CD pipelines for our repositories. So let's see how we will configure AWS accounts. So the thing is, there will be different accounts for different teams, and this will make sure that okay, only each team will have a limited access, and then there will be a main account, let's which admin will like take care of. This main account will have a IAM user, and then all these subsequent accounts will have a IAM role, and these IAM roles will trust this IAM user, so that this IAM user can assume a role in this all other accounts. So then how it will work is, as we'll configure the AWS access key and AWS secret key of this IAM user in our org level secrets, and then if we configure our repository, at that time these secrets will be used in our CI/CD pipelines. So let's say we are configuring our first repository, and we have defined our CI/CD pipelines. Let's look at how CI will look like generally, like roughly. So in CI, first what it will do, it will fetch these keys from org level secrets, and then with these keys, it will assume the role in another account. So whatever that repo is responsible for in that account, it will assume the role, and then it will perform all subsequent actions like creating a zip, lambda zip, uploading that zip to S3, and building Docker images if you are using a ECS service, and then like uploading these images to ECR registries, and then eventually performing a Terraform plan. When you perform Terraform plan in that account, it will update the read lock. It will apply the read lock on the DynamoDB, and then so yeah, let's see for CD now. For in CD, what will happen is it's like same. It will assume the role in that account, and then it will perform Terraform apply. And when you do Terraform apply, it will update the state file and will do a write lock on the state log DynamoDB table. So yeah, this is like a general idea how the CI/CD pipeline for a big organization would look like. There would be multiple accounts, and this setup makes it easy for creating multiple like different repositories. You don't have to configure each repository separately. You just take the template and copy it into the other account, and then just define the rules to assume, and then define your CI/CD pipelines and Terraform code which will be deployed on that account. And like this way, with just one account credentials and ability to assume in different role in different accounts, you can deploy your code uh, infrastructure in different accounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.